Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 13. Часть 1. Страница 28-29. English Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 14. Part number 1. Page number 28-29. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 28. 28. Word Lab. Lesson number 13. Exercise number 1. This is Ben Busy and his brothers and sisters. Listen and draw lines. Biddy, Brenda, Betty. Bob, Barry. Это Бен Бизи и его братья и сестры. Послушай и соедини. Bud is writing an email. Barry is making a cake. Bob is vacuuming a carpet. Betty's making the bed. Brenda's watching TV. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Now take roles and talk with your friend. Сейчас распредели роли и поговори со своим другом. Ben, can you help me with my homework? Buddy, sorry I can't. I'm writing an email. Ben, can you help me to write a story? Brenda, sorry I can't. I'm watching TV. Ben, can you help me to water the plants? Barry, sorry I can't. I'm making a cake. Ben, can you help me to wash the car? Betty, sorry I can't. I'm making the bed. Ben, can you help me to wash the dishes? Bob, sorry I can't. I'm vacuuming the carpet. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Listen and repeat, then draw lines. 500, 1,000, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Послушай и повтори, затем соедини. 500, 1,000, 50, 60, 70. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Listen and circle. Послушай и обведи. A, 13, B, 40, C, 99, D, 15, E, 16. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 29. 29. Exercise number 5. Read and write. Then act out. Прочитай и напиши, и затем разыграй диалог. What's your phone number? It's 43761. What's your lucky number? 8. How old are you? 11. What's your address? It's 55 Queen Street. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Read and find their names. Прочитай и найди их имена. These are photos of my friends. Look at Katie. She's playing the drums. She can play the drums really well. Это фотографии моих друзей. Посмотри на Кэти. Она играет на барабанах. Она умеет играть на барабанах очень хорошо. This is Katie's brother, William. He's playing the violin. Katie and William are in the school band. The answer, number 3. Это брат Кэти, Вильям. Он играет на скрипке. Кэти и Вильям состоят в школьной музыкальной группе. This is my friend Molly. Look, she's skiing. Molly likes skiing. Number 4. Это моя подруга Молли. Смотри, она катается на лыжах. Молли любит катание на лыжах. Look at Troya. He's playing table tennis. He's a great table tennis player. The answer, number 2. Посмотри на Троя. Он играет в настольный теннис. Он великий игрок в настольный теннис. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.